Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today in this video we will discuss about how to fix 404 not found error in advanced Java programming. When we are learning advanced Java programming and whenever we are creating first program in advanced Java using servlet technology, we are getting first error as a 404 not found error. So in this video we discuss about how to fix 404 not found error and why 404 not found error are coming in my projects. Actually 404 not found error are coming because that resource are not reallocated. So how to find that resources so solve my 404 not found error. If you are getting the first time 404 not found error, it means you are not creating index.html file in your web app folder. If you are not creating index.html file, then you are facing same issue 404 not found error. But if you are creating another name of like input.html file, so you need to mention in web.xml file welcome file list welcome file index.html for input.html, because here mention first we load index.html file. So if you want to load first input.html file, you need to change here input.html file. If you are changing your file name here welcome.file list, then this problem will be solved. Now check. If you are executing this program, first we save this program and execute this program. You said see that my error will be solved. Now the next reason is 404 not found error is coming. If you are writing any uh, link in your project, and whenever we are click on that link, this find here suppose here we are creating a anchor tag and we are finding the welcome resources and we are creating a servlet. Okay, suppose we are missing to add here annotations and we are executing this program, and after we are clicking on the click here we are getting the 404 not found. Wait, we are executing once again this program. Okay, refresh once again and click here. After clicking, we are getting again 404 not found error and welcome files file resources not allocated, not found. Why? Because we are forgetting here to add annotations. So we need to add annotations like resources welcome. If you are not missing any syntax, you need to check your spelling correctly. If you are missing any spelling mistakes, again you are getting the same issue 404 not found. So there are the two reasons to you are getting the 404 not found error. First, if you are not creating here the index.html file, and another is you are not mapping properly. So you need to map properly, after that your problem will be solved. Now today's in this video we are discussing about 404 not found error. I hope you understand how to fix 404 not found error and how to solve this 404 not found error. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.